Okay, well, let's start with a demo, then I'll tell you what I've figured out. The light will be flashing, the siren sound will be happening, and the antenna should be turning, and the bump and go should be working. Just on top of the stove top here, so there's not a lot of places for it to bump into, but you get the idea. Now, the little engine parts do move up and down. That's all they were meant to move. And the rotating antenna part is belt driven. Someone had been in here before at least once to work on a repair, and they'd replaced the belt with a rubber band. The original belt must have broken. Well, the rubber band had disintegrated. I put in an actual rubber O-ring, which should last 50 or more years under these conditions. When putting on this tower, this can be a little bit tricky to get it to line up right, because there's the little slot in the hole and the shaft is keyed. If you don't get this on right to begin with, it won't feel like it'll go down. I find it easy to kind of put it there and just turn the top until you kind of maybe feel it. Then you can push it all the way down and turn it a smidge. Then if it isn't moving smoothly, which in this case it is, but if it wasn't, you take it off and you try it again. It's all a matter of lining those two pieces up and actually get them coupled together instead of alongside of it, which is what happens. Instead of going onto it, it'll hit it from the side. Obviously the light part just plugs in. The other thing I had to do to get the bump and go working is these are the original wheels, which I've saved without damaging them, because in this case, even though they are very old hard rubber, they don't have hubcaps on them. So that means I could get in there with my press and my pin and I was able to press them off. And then I just 3D printed these nice new ones that have rubber O-rings snapped, and the O-rings can always be replaced without even taking the toy apart to get the traction back. It gets rid of the flat spots and gives the toy grip again. So, what else? I think that about covers it. Replace the light, replace the belt, fix the squealer, 3D printed the new bump and go wheels. I think it's good to go.